Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. In today's video, let's talk about Southwest home decor. Now, if this is a style that you've been thinking about and you've been trying to decide if it's right for you, this video is going to help you out a ton. And with that, let's just hop right into it. So there's already so much to love about the Southwest, from the colors, the warmth, the textures, the vegetation. You get to bring that casual modern look of desert living into your home. But I always start with the living room on these type of videos just because I feel like once you commit to a home decor style or theme, the living room is the perfect room to really show it off. So how do you achieve a Southwestern flair in your living room? First off would be to frame your space with a Southwestern rug. You know the type that I am talking about. They are available everywhere. They can take on many different looks. It doesn't have to be that kind of Aztec pattern with the blend of bright colors that we always see. They have some Southwestern rugs that are really subdued and neutral. Next, hang nature-inspired wall art. So plants, animals, colors, and nature are really what makes the desert stand out, and they are a huge part of the Southwest style and the Southwest design. So the next tip would be to combine different textures. So in any organic layered look, a combination of different textiles and textures are key. So this can be achieved with macrame and velvet, fur faux with wood, wool with suede, leather with rattan. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Plus, lots of different textiles is a great way to make your space feel really cozy and warm. And last but not least, this is just a personal tip, it would be to stick to a mostly neutral color palette. Now, you absolutely don't have to do this. This is totally up to you and it's personal. I say stick with a neutral color palette and then add pops of bright, bold colors in there, and it will really tie your space in together. However, if you're one of those people that like the really bright colors, go all in. So, Southwestern kitchen style is definitely influenced by native Spanish and Indian cultures. So, it's going to mix the culture of American and Spanish tradition, which is the heritage of native Arizona, Mexico, and Spain, and it centers around their natural living environments. Current Southwest kitchen design blends both the historic elements with contemporary design, right? So, it's basically a mix of the old and the new, the ancient and the modern, and that combination tends to work really well. So a lot of modern Southwest design incorporates traditional architecture with modern design, like brightly colored stucco finished with square corners. It mixes mid-century and rustic elements with colors that are reminiscent of the desert Southwest. So a lot of Southwestern kitchens have a casual, easygoing decor with natural materials and a natural color palette. So you're going to see metal and wood detail, wooden beams, warm neutrals, textured walls, Native American or Spanish accents, tiles of course, and a really casual, rustic element throughout the whole kitchen. So when it comes to kitchens, just know that tile is always the winner. And whether you choose to go just full Southwest or just a nice neutral kitchen with accents of Southwest, the decision is definitely up to you. Now, when it comes to a Southwestern style of bedroom, you're going to want to take some of those elements that we've already spoken about that are so Southwestern. The elements of the natural materials, the items used, and of course the color palette. Whether you choose to go full Southwestern with a lot of the woods and the bright colors, or you want to make it more of a neutral tone room. Now, if your home is a Southwestern style, like this room, you may have beams somewhere in the ceiling, which can definitely really give you that Southwestern look and feel that you want. Of course, if you don't, you can always make it Southwestern like this room, as in terms of using furniture, bedding, accessories, accents, all of that good stuff. Now, the main thing with the bedroom, though, you not only want it to look Southwestern, but you also want it to be relaxing and inviting and calm and serene, and all of those things that you need your bedroom to be. So whether it is your primary bedroom, or if it's a guest room or even a room for your kids, there's so many different options that you can take with a Southwestern style. I personally love this room and the room immediately before. I love that wood on the wall, so it gives you the Southwestern look and feel. It's definitely not difficult to do. This is a weekend project for sure. And then you see the homeowner just adds in some materials just to kind of set it off and balance it all out. Now, you can have a Southwestern style room, which may be in a stucco finish on your walls. You may have a fireplace in there. It just may scream Southwest without anything in there. Or you may just have a regular basic room in your home that you want to evolve into your Southwestern haven. Either way, all things are possible. I don't know why animal heads just look so Southwestern to me. Now, of course, I don't want to encourage you to go out and get real animal heads, but you can find them Amazon, Etsy, so many different places, because for some reason that it just screams Southwest. This room screams Southwest, and it doesn't even have the real like Southwest elements, but you can definitely see it in a Southwestern home as well as this one. This one just screams Southwest to me, and it has a lot of the Southwestern elements. And you can see in this room, they opted to have the animal heads, but not so much the skulls, more in the picture form, which I thought was a good touch. And I am seeing those, I believe they're yaks, seeing those yak and cattle pictures everywhere. They're really on trend right now. So last but not least, let's talk about a Southwestern style bathroom. Now, I've noticed a lot of people, if they have a theme for their home, they will show it in the living room, maybe the front entry or foyer, the bedroom, but they always leave the bathrooms kind of plain, just like a regular bathroom. Bathroom is a great space to show your home decor style as well. And if you're planning a new bathroom or an update to an existing one, the Southwestern design and decor could be a great choice for creating a space that's bright and lively, yet also really relaxed and welcoming. So color is a hugely important factor in Southwestern design and decor. Many of the color schemes featured in this design style are directly connected to those occurring naturally in the American Southwest and surrounding areas, and that's what you want to bring out. So, some of the bright yellows, the dusty oranges, the rusty reds, cactus greens, and neutral desert or earth tones, those are all really important in this style. And even if you choose to go with a neutral restroom or a neutral modern restroom, you can always implement colors from the Southwest and even just little accessories. What about a really neutral modern restroom with a few cactuses and just maybe some yellow or orangey type accessories? It'll still give you the Southwestern style, but it'll help you keep the design theme that you like. So all in all, the Southwestern home decor style, home design style is all about a really welcoming, inviting experience, a place for you and your family to gather as well as receive guests. Okay, friends, so down in the comments section, let me know, is the Southwestern style for you? Why or why not? I'm so curious to know. I definitely hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Once again, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out some more, check out one of these, and we will be back with another video. Bye, friends.